In this practice video, we will learn how to control cue ball in a close distance, especially around black and pink area. The best snooker players in the world are making consistently winning century maximum breaks all the time because they are masters of close cue ball control. Skills are not coming overnight, so you must practice it all the time to become good at this. First shot, simple roll-up shot, center cue ball, half cushion speed. It is very crucial to plan every single shot ahead. Position looks very easy for the break. However, be careful, because many positional mistakes made in those kind of situations, like losing cue ball control, missing pots, lack of concentration. In snooker, every single shot is important. Remember that. Play with the top spin, cannon red, and position for the black ball. Another cannon shot is coming. Cannon shots are not easy, because you need to be extremely precise with your cue ball control. If something goes wrong, you're out of position, and of course, you lose a chance to make winning big breaks and win the frame for one visit. Be very precise and keep your concentration levels high. Play soft stunt shot slightly below cue ball center, 1.5 cushion speed. Stunt shot, 1/4 cushion speed. Right now, I have 4 open reds where I can play position for. So, if you have a choice, try to leave yourself as many options as possible, because it will make your breaks much easier. Amateur players making many positional mistakes when they play for one red, because margin of error is much bigger. Screw back shot, 1.34 cushion speed. Position for the pink ball, top spin shot, 1/4 cushion speed. On the second part, you will learn more practical ways how to control cue ball at a close distance. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.